Welcome to Alistair Equipments. Today we are going to bake brownies in Alistair brand Dick oven. So let me tell you more about this oven. This is a one-stop solution. Means you can bake everything in this oven. You can bake your brownies, various cakes, you can bake various cookies, breads. You can also bake pie into this, various kharis, toast, anything which you are willing to bake into it. It is very feasible to bake it, and it's a one-stop solution. Means आप इसमें सब कुछ bake कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let us start with our brownies. I will tell you everything about the brownies over here, how to bake it and how beautifully you can come out with the good brownies at your home. So let us start with our brownie making. One thing very important is that we have to preheat the oven. Now let me tell you some important features about this oven. You can see over here we have got a top temperature and a bottom temperature. So it is very easy for us to actually regulate our temperatures. That is something which is very unique in this particular oven. So I have set my temperature as 180 degree for the top, and bottom also I have done it into the 180 degrees. So we are getting a flexibility over here that we can alter our temperature according to our baking items. That is something which is really very wonderful, because sometimes ऐसा होता है कि हमें कुछ चीजें ऊपर से ब्राउनिंग चाहिए होती है या नीचे से नहीं. So this helps us a lot where we can alter our temperatures. So I have put my temperatures equally in the brownies, and I have set this at 40 minutes. So it will take roughly 5 to 7 minutes for me to prepare this brownie, and our brownie will go into this and it will bake for another 35 minutes. So let's get started with the brownies now. So here is actually my dark chocolate with butter, which I have already melted and preferably melted into the microwave. So we are just pouring it into our mixing bowl. Give it a good stir so that everything has been mixed on very nicely. Make sure it is not too much hot or not too much cold, otherwise the mixing will not happen. As soon as you are done with this, add in your sugar. It's a granulated sugar, and just mix it with your hands very vigorously. Now you have to keep on mixing this until the sugar melts up. We will start putting our eggs. So that is the main thing, that your mixture should not be too hot, otherwise the egg will be cooked right away. So we will add it one by one, and we will stir it up to avoid any kind of lumps. So this is our last egg, that is the fourth egg. We have already mixed 3 eggs. So in total we need 4 eggs. And here it is, we have mixed all the wet ingredients. Now for a good taste, you can also add vanilla essence. Let us just give it a good stir. So this is vanilla essence. So we are just going to add few drops of it. So we are done with all the wet ingredients now. See, right now it's a flowing consistency. And lastly, we are going to add our dry flours. So this is whole maida flour, and we have got cocoa flour. So it's already been sifted, and now we are going to fold it. So see, now I am just folding it मैं बिल्कुल भी इसको बहुत ज़्यादा स्टर नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि हमें इसमें ग्लूटेन फॉर्म नहीं होने देना है। सो हमें बहुत ही फोल्डिंग मेथड करनी है, ये है कट एंड फोल्ड मेथड। सो आपके ब्राउनी का बैटर ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लोई नहीं होना चाहिए। दिस इज द गुड कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ द ब्राउनी and we have to just stir enough that all the ingredients are getting well mixed with each other and do not over stir it. So yes, now it has been done. Yes, so we have done with our mixture, and lastly now we are going to add some chocolate chips. And I am just keeping this much of amount to pour it from the surface and just give it a light stirring. Yes, and that's it. We have done with our mixture. Okay, so this is our container in which we are going to bake it up. ये कंटेनर को मैंने ऑलरेडी बटर पेपर से लाइन कर दिया है और उसको भी मैंने बटर से लाइन कर दिया है, सो दैट व्हाइल यू आर टेकिंग आउट योर ब्राउनी इट डजंट स्टिक टू योर कंटेनर. ओके, सो नाउ क्विकली वी आर गोइंग टू पोर इन दिस बैटर इनटू द कंटेनर. नाउ दिस इज द परफेक्ट कंसिस्टेंसी. जैसे नॉर्मल केक्स होते हैं उनका फ्लोइंग कंसिस्टेंसी होता है, वैसे नहीं होता है ब्राउनी में. इसका कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ा सा थिक ही होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द चॉकलेट. सो जस्ट क्लीन इट अप वेरी नाइसली. एंड वी विल जस्ट equalize our batter. We'll just layer it up properly. Yeah. So here we are done. So इसको हम थोड़ा सा टैप करते हैं. टैपिंग इसलिए किया जाता है ताकि इसमें अगर कोई एयर बबल्स है तो वो सारे निकल जाते हैं और हमारा बैटर भी इक्वलाइज हो जाता है. सो ये थोड़े से हमने जो चॉकलेट चिप्स बचा के रखे थे वो हम इसके ऊपर अभी स्प्रिंकल कर देंगे. So it looks perfect. Okay, so yeah, we have done with our things and now we are going to just put it into our oven. हमारा ओवन बिल्कुल ही अच्छे से प्री हीट हो चुका है. सो जैसे हमने पहले ही टाइमर इसका सेट किया हुआ था तो मैंने 10 मिनट्स ऑलरेडी इसको प्री हीट करके रखा हुआ है. द बॉटम एंड द टॉप टेम्परेचर्स बोथ आर बीन 180 डिग्रीज एंड नाउ इट विल रिमेन इनटू दिस फॉर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 30 to 35 मिनट्स. हम एक बार 30 मिनट्स के बाद चेक कर लेंगे कि हमारा ब्राउनीज रेडी है कि नहीं. इफ इन केस रेडी नहीं है वी विल अगेन बेक इट फॉर अनदर 5 मिनट्स. So 30 minutes हो चुके हैं and now our brownie has been completely baked. So let's see our brownie, that how well it has been baked up. Wow, it has been baked up completely perfect. So now let it just cool for another 5-10 minutes and then we will just demold it. ओके, सो मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ कि ब्राउनीज हमारी कैसी बनी हुई है. सो एक अच्छी ब्राउनी, अगर आपको जानना है कि एक अच्छी ब्राउनी कैसे होनी चाहिए, सो दिस इज हाउ द टेक्सचर इट शुड बी. ब्राउनीज सब केक से थोड़ी सी अलग होती है. सो यू कैन सी ओवर हियर इट्स कम्प्लीटली मॉइस्ट, इट्स सो मच सॉफ्ट फ्रॉम इनसाइड. और आप देख सकते हो जैसे मैं इसको प्रेस कर रही हूँ, सो आप देख सकते हो इसमें से चॉकलेट जो है वो पूरा जूसीनेस और उसका वो आपको दिख रहा है. देखिए मैं ऐसे प्रेस कर रही हूँ, सो यू कैन सी दैट द चॉकलेट इज कमिंग आउट. इट्स वंडरफुल, इट्स माउथ मेल्टिंग एंड श्योरली यू आर गोइंग टू एंजॉय दीज ब्राउनीज. सो yeah, this is what it is. We have baked our brownies in this wonderful oven. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Signing off, Arva Bhavnagarwala from Arrested Therapeutics. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so that you are being tuned up on a regular basis.